Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a fascinating mix of cultures, history, and spectacular natural landscapes. With Table Mountain dominating the skyline, the city offers numerous outdoor activities, from hiking to boat trips for seeing sharks and whales. The Bo-Kaap district, known for its colorful houses and rich Malay cultural history, is a must for photographers and history lovers. Cape Town is also a center for wine tasting, with nearby Stellenbosch and Franschhoek wine regions offering tours and tastings.